Let's talk about washing our clothes. So watch and listen. You can wash your clothes by hand, with your hands. However, I am talking about how to use a washing machine. This is a washing machine, and you use a washing machine to wash, to clean your clothes. I am going to describe the steps you need to take to wash your clothes using a washing machine. And this is a washing machine. This is a washing machine. And washing machines are used to clean your clothes. Usually, you will find your washing machine in the kitchen, next to your oven and sink. So, what is the first step you need to take to wash your clothes? You need to sort your clothes, organize your clothes depending on their color and their material. They could be made from wool or other materials which need to be washed in different ways. So, to sort or organize your colors, you need to separate your whites and your darks, because if you wash your white clothes with your red clothes, your white clothes will turn pink, and you do not want that. So the second step is to look at the tag on your clothes to select two different things: the temperature and the spin, how fast your washing machine spins. Now, this depends on your clothes, and your tag tells you this information. This symbol means a normal wash, and the number inside tells you the temperature at 20 degrees Celsius. If the symbol has a hand in it, it is telling you not to use a washing machine, but to wash your clothes with your hands in a tub of water, because your clothes are delicate. So if you wash your delicate clothes in a washing machine, they might break, they might shrink, become smaller. Step number 3, so the third step is to pour in your detergent. Your detergent and your fabric softener. So if your clothes are dirty, it cleans them. And the fabric softener makes your clothes feel good, feel nice. Now you need to load the machine to put your clothes into the washing machine. Fill the machine about half full with your clothes, and then turn on the machine. Press the button and your machine will start. Water will fill up the inside of the machine, and now you need to wait until your machine is finished. When your machine is finished, take out your clothes. So the fourth step is to dry your clothes, to remove the water so they are dry. So you need to hang your clothes on a washing line. So you go outside into the sun and hang your clothes on the washing line using pegs to clip your clothes onto the line, and you wait until the sun dries your clothes like that. Now you take your clothes off of the line and fold them. Fold your clothes so they are neat. And that is how you wash your clothes using a washing machine. Thank you for watching and listening to this beginner English lesson. I hope our videos are helping you learn English better. I will see you in the next video. Bye.